On 18 January 2023, the Lufthansa Group announced it has officially submitted a bid to the Italian government to initially acquire a minority stake in ITA Airways. Later on, the group wants to have the option to buy the remaining shares of the Italian airline when the Italian government decides to step out completely. So in this video, we're going to talk about big Lufthansa news. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. ITA Airways was formed from the ashes of former Italian flag carrier Italia in October 2021. The carrier is currently state-owned, though Italy is looking to offload it to private ownership. Lufthansa, in partnership with MSC Group, was one of the three parties to express interest in the carrier. For Lufthansa Group, Italy is the most important market outside of its home market and the US. Italy's importance for both business and private travel lies in its strong export-oriented economy and status as one of Europe's top vacation spots. The German carrier didn't disclose financial details or lay out the size of the stake it wishes to buy in the successor of Italia SPA. Lufthansa wants to buy as much as 40% of ITA in an initial step and subject to negotiations. According to people familiar with the tasks, asking not to be identified discussing private deliberations, Lufthansa said its immediate goal is to reach a memorandum of understanding with the ministry so that more detailed and extensive discussions can begin. These talks would primarily focus on the form of a possible equity investment and the commercial and operational integration of ITA into the Lufthansa airline group, as well as resulting synergies, the company said in a statement. According to Italian media, Lufthansa has offered €300 million for a 40% stake in ITA Airways. The German airline group initially planned to take an 80% share together with MSC Group for €1.4 billion, which was later reduced to between €800 and €850 million. But the Swiss shipping group withdrew its participation after the terms of the bidding were amended by the new government. The Lufthansa bid also means that the offer by a consortium of investor Courtiers, Air France-KLM and Delta Airlines is off. The consortium was selected as the preferred bidder by the previous government to negotiate a financial deal, but their role as favorites changed under the new administration. The plan is to agree on the initial acquisition of a minority stake as well as on options to purchase the remaining shares at a later date, said Lufthansa. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. In the late summer, after the dalliance broke down, the Italian government entered into exclusive discussions with a consortium formed by Delta Airlines, Air France-KLM and US investment fund Courtiers. Now, with that exclusive period over and no deal, Lufthansa has returned to the table. Italy's importance for both business and private travel lies in its strong export-oriented economy and status as one of Europe's top vacation spots, the company said. The estimated value of ITA Airways was rumored to be between €450 and €480 million per local media reports, which also indicated the Italian government was looking to sign a MOU with Lufthansa to progress the deal. Lufthansa isn't Italy's first choice when it comes to offloading ITA Airways. In August, it was reported that Italy had chosen the Air France-KLM group bid as its preferred option. This opened the door for a period of exclusive talks between the two parties. Furthermore, in late December 2022, local lawmakers passed a ruling that would allow interested parties to initially put forward a bid for a minority stake in ITA Airways, and that only airlines groups would be able to bid for the ailing Italian flag carrier. The Ministry of Finance had said that an agreement would only be signed if the outcome will be fully satisfactory for the public shareholder. At the time, Lufthansa commented, "We take note of the decision of the Italian government. Our joint offers together with the MSC was the better solution for ITA. From our point of view, apparently a path is now being chosen that allows for more state influence and does not provide for a complete privatization of ITA." So that's it. Please like, share, and comment with your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.